Hey guys, Eric Quezada here, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are actually going to be talking about the new infamous Blood Money palette by JSC. Um, this palette is stunning. If you haven't seen my video, it's stunning. You should go check it out because, oh my god, it's literally one of the best palettes I've ever used. But that begs the question. You're probably wondering, Eric, what is with this clickbaity title? I will tell you right now that it is because this infamous deceased alien has risen again, maybe? Basically, this palette is, I wouldn't say very green, but it has greens in it. Okay, let's say that. So basically, you have bam, oh, it's kind of shiny. Bam, 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 and bam. So let me actually turn the brightness down so you guys can see a little bit more. Okay, that should be good enough. Okay. So do you see this? This is a dark green, like a lime green, and then you got a green metallic up here. There's a gold that's pretty similar, and there's this shade that's pretty similar. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna swatch it on the back of my arm to compare them versus the blood lust, or no, blood money. So we're gonna be comparing it to the blood money. So let's actually just hop on in. So the first shade I actually want to compare is the green metallic in the alien called Alien. Pretty ironic, right? So I'm gonna put these right here so you guys can see them. Let me turn up the brightness un poquito. That's good. So let's do Alien here and Poison Ivy here. So this is Blood Money Poison Ivy. This is Alien. Honestly, the Poison Ivy looks like less shiny, more neon green. It's difficult to pick up, but this alien one has more reflectivity to it versus the Poison Ivy. But they still are both shiny, but this one's shinier. The alien one is shinier. That is the verdict. Okay, next one. I'm literally just wiping the residue on like my feet because I don't care. It's gonna be kind of gross when I go into the palette though, but what you gonna do, you know? Okay. The next shade I actually want to try was Flying Saucer, which is a dark matte green from the Alien palette. So that's that finger. And then Crocodile Tears. Is it Crocodile Tears? Is that the closest one? Yeah, Crocodile Tears is the closest one. Okay, so here we have Blood Money, Crocodile Tears. And here we have Flying Saucer from Alien palette. Oh my god, they look identical on there. In person, Crocodile Tears actually performs a little bit better from what I've tried, and it just has a more even swatch, and they honestly look the same. So those two, extremely similar. I'm like, oh my god, it stained my fingers. Hold on. So I actually have this rag that I use for eyeshadows. So yes, they are a little stained. Okay, so the next shade we will go into, let's see. I was gonna say Abduction and Chameleon Fetish, but They look different, but you guys probably want to see them compared, so I'm gonna do it just for you, babe. Just for you. Okay, so let's go in with abduction and then chameleon fetish. Oh my god, that's stunning. Okay, so here we. Oh wait, what is it? Here we have. Oh, what the heck? I messed up. So this one is Alien Palette Abduction. This is Blood Money Chameleon Fetish. Yes, extremely different. This one is almost more minty, while this is more acid green. So, no comparison there. Those are different enough to convince me to buy a whole new palette. Honestly. And then let's do UFO. So UFO. And then what's the other one? CEO. Oh my god, that's so soft. His metallics feel like friggin' butter. So this is Alien Palette. What is it? UFO. Alien Palette UFO. And then Blood Money CEO. That's kind of funny now. Dang, those are both absolutely stunning. I think I actually prefer. Let's see. The light, you're killing me. I prefer this one actually. The Blood Money CEO. I feel like it has like a dark to light shift better. So I prefer the Blood Money. You know what I'm saying? Okay. You're like, Eric, quit the jambling. Just start showing us, and I got you. So the next one is, I don't know if there's a next one. Oh, it's probably gonna be. Ooh, I'm gonna do two that I really thought were gonna be similar, but now I don't know. So I'm gonna grab X-Files from the Alien palette, and I'm gonna grab Persuasion from the Blood Money palette. That's actually kind of similar. Let's go here. So this is Alien palette. What the hell is this? X-Files. Oh, that's probably my favorite shit in the whole palette. And then Blood Money. I forgot. Blood Money Persuasion. Oh yeah. This is definitely more brown. This is definitely more green. They did not look like that in the pan. Interesting. Like if you get really close, you can see it. Oh, how weird. It's weird because I thought this one was green too, but it's definitely leaning more brown now, huh? Oh my god, I'm getting all the swatches on my pants. It's not good. And we do have one more shade. It is that like green, reddish, blackish shift. It's pretty dope shade. I don't say I use it a lot because I don't personally do like smoky looks on my eye, so it's not like a big thing. But it's a pretty dope color. We are gonna do Secret Stash. Oh my god. Oh my god, when a shadow swatches so soft, I die inside a little bit. It was the softest thing I've ever touched. Well, no, that's a lie. The softest shade I've ever touched was the shade Blood Sugar from the Blood Sugar palette. Killed me. Dead. Deceased, gone, exploded, imploded, disintegrated, gone. Okay, so from this one, I'm gonna go into Probe. Oh my god, this is what Blood Sugar feels like. It's like Probe from the Alien palette, but you guys can't get it anymore, so Sucks for you. But get the blood sugar because it has that shade, and I'm telling you, it is the softest shade you'll ever feel in your whole life. Okay, so right here we have, I think, here we have, should I do it here? This is Aliens Palette Probe. Yeah, this Probe. Okay. And then this is Secret Stash from Blood Money. So you see how they both have like that blue reflect to it, but when you when you look at down here, it leans really warm, almost to like a very dark maroon red. And when you start to blend these out, it actually starts looking more maroon. So yeah, I would say those shades are spot on. So I think my theory is that since Jeffree Star did so well on the monochromatic palettes, that he was kind of like done, I guess, with like the different color stories together. Like Thirsty, he discontinued that in Alien palette. But it's weird because Thirsty is being relaunched, so I'm a little confused. But yeah, these monochromatic palettes are like the way for his brand apparently, especially with these dope ass trunks. I love it. Like I can't wait for like a yellow one. And then what color are we missing? We have yellow, orange. Yeah, yellow and orange are like the last two. I don't know. Like I'm so excited. Like his brand always keeps me on my toes and excited for like brand new things. But yeah, those are all the swatches. For all of you interested in the tea, that's the tea for today. Very mild, a little bit of chamomile, a little bit of black tea. But yeah, guys, right now I'm just shambling because I like to shamble. I like to talk to you guys. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna let you go to sleep. So, yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. If you want to see me doing more looks with the blood money though, definitely follow my TikTok. It's gonna be Eric ERC Quezada QUEZATA with the letter 8, and then with the number 8. And then if you want to see like me draw inspiration from different places and like post eyelid pictures, I'll do it on Instagram. Those are usually more beautiful, more elegant, more avant-garde. And on here, I kind of just do it raw, which sounds kind of gross, but that's usually what I do here because this is where I can convey information the easiest, you know? So, yeah, guys, definitely, if you guys did like this video, if you did like me, if you didn't like me, if you like my eyeshadow, if you love curly hair, if you like my jink nails, then definitely subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. I love y'all.